So this is where we left off in my previous hair update video. That has been 3 years ago, and I've done everything I said I would do in that video, and my hair grew and it's healthy and beautiful, and I love it. I stuck to that routine of washing every week. Sometimes I would stretch it to 2 weeks, but I really tried to stay within that 1 week time frame, conditioning every week and then putting it in twists. I either did my twist in my own natural hair, or I would do like Marley twist so I could make it last a little bit longer, or faux locks. Faux locks had me in a chokehold. I loved me some faux locks. I stayed in the faux locks, or because I worked from home for so long, I just kept my hair in a bonnet. But this year, I want to see my hair, so I've been straightening it. I'm going to do 6 months of straight, 6 months natural, and just see how that does for my health of my hair. So let's start this new journey.